Is the DJI Mini 4 Pro more quiet than the DJI Mini 3 Pro? Well, let's try it out and see if you can notice any difference. So the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to start the propellers when the drone is here on the ground. And then we're going to take off with the button on the remote. So it's going to hover up here. And then we're going to land again. Then we're going to see what the sound sounds like. And I have this Holland Lark Max to my help. And I've turned off the noise cancelling feature because if I have it turned on, I bet that we won't hear anything. And I'm going to place that microphone just behind the drone like this, so we can listen to it. I put on these little furry here, so we shouldn't be too disturbed by the wind wash that is coming from the propellers. Now let's turn on the propellers. Then we're going to turn off the propellers. And we're going to take off with a button here on the remote. Now we're going to take the microphone up closer to the drone. And now let's land again. So now let's try the same with the DJI Mini 4 Pro to see if there is any difference. Put the drone here, let's put the microphone all the way up so it's touching the drone, and let's turn on the propellers on the ground. Turn it off, and let's take off with a button. So I have no idea what the actual result is. Leave a comment what drone you think is the most quiet one. So now I would love to see you in that video. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.